Boy. It's on, ladies and gentlemen. September 10th, you want to be in the house. Kizomba dancing, salsa lessons, all coming at you for 2 hours actually.
Actually, it's going to be probably a little more than 2 hours. We're going to be at Baila Dance Fusion Studio. It's out in Virginia Beach.
Yes.
It's off of 3877 Holland Road. And we are going to be with nationally known dancer and instructor Marquita Bianca and her fiance Eric Castano. And they are going to be working with us and several other couples and teaching us salsa, kizomba. We're gonna have heavy hors d'oeuvres. But you guys, the reason why we're doing this is because we really feel like it's an exercise in trust and submission for couples, with women learning how to submit and trust their partner, with dancing and really letting the men lead us. And if you're a strong female like I am, sometimes that can be a little bit of a challenge. But we did this before a few weeks ago, and the response was overwhelming.
And you know, it's a great way to reconnect. I know a lot of us are having difficulties with our spouses or whoever that special one may be, couple, whatever. But guys, this is a great time to reconnect. Trust me, you're gonna have a lot of fun. And like my wife said, we had just rave reviews from the first time, and we were like, man, this is something we should continue. So it's only $50. $50 for a night of fun. It's called Date Night for the Couple. So again, it's going to be in Norfolk, right?
No, it's Virginia Beach, 3877 Holland Road. Baila Dance Fusion Studio is actually inside the Juice Bar. And it's just going to be an awesome time. It's part of our Art of Love series that we're doing, which is helping couples to reconnect and express themselves through art. So we really, really look forward to seeing you there. There's an Eventbrite link that you can register for, and where you can register for the event. Click on the link, and that will be in the post. And we look forward to seeing you September 10th, 6:30 sharp.
Very important. Only 15 couples. 15 couples. We want to keep it very intimate, so please register. Register. Don't wait till the last minute. Get with your significant other and get it done. And we'll see you.
We'll see you.
We changed it up on you, a little salsa.